Aloha friends, and welcome to Eating Richly. If you're new here, I'm Diana Johnson, a cooking instructor who loves connecting with people through food. And today I'm going to show you how your family can easily create fun Thanksgiving memories through turkey-shaped edible crafts. And one of our Thanksgiving traditions is to make a cute edible craft as a family. Today, I'm going to share 3 of those edible crafts with you that all happen to be shaped like a turkey. The turkey veggie trays and turkey cheese platter are easy enough that most kids can assemble them on their own. The turkey cheese ball takes a little more work, but it's still really easy and makes a cool centerpiece. So let's get cooking, because whether you're cooking with someone, or for yourself, cooking time is connecting time. We'll start with the turkey veggie tray, which is also vegan if that's something you're looking for. You're going to need some baby carrots and a red bell pepper that has 3 bumps on the bottom. All the other veggies can be swapped out depending on what your family likes to eat. For the red bell pepper, cut the bottom off, then slice the rest of the bell pepper into long, thin strips. Save the pepper top in your veggie scrap freezer bag for making stock. The bottom of the bell pepper is going to be our turkey head. Set a bowl of hummus or your favorite veggie dip at the center bottom of a round platter like this slate cheese board. Arrange your outermost row of turkey tail feathers. In this case, I use sliced cocktail cucumbers. You're going to do a total of 4 rows of veggies, moving inward, each one slightly overlapping the row before it. Then slice a baby carrot in half the long way and cut out notches from each half to shape them into turkey legs. Slice the end off another baby carrot and cut out a wedge to make a beak. Place the bell pepper at the top of the dip bowl with 2 bumps on the bottom and 1 on top. Then place those turkey legs at the bottom of the dip bowl. Place that carrot beak right in the center of the bell pepper, then add 2 little black peppercorns for eyes. Next, tell your kids they can eat as many tail feathers as they want. For your cheese platter turkey, it's easiest to start with a variety pack of already sliced cracker cut cheese. You'll also need salami, pepperoni, and your favorite round cracker. Just like the turkey veggie tray, you're going to start with the outer row of feathers. I like to use the largest salami for that first outside row. Then start alternating rows of cheese, meat, and crackers, working your way toward the center.
Hey, looks like the top of the candy cane!
Now you're going to put half a green pear in the center and fill in those empty spaces on either side of the pear. For the turkey's eyes, use the big end of a frosting tip to cut out circles from a piece of white cheese. Squish a raisin flat for the iris and then put those eyeballs on top of the pear. A triangle of yellow cheese makes a great beak, and you can use a paring knife to thinly slice a strip of red bell pepper for the turkey's waddle. We sometimes have the turkey veggie tray and cheese platter together for dinner the day before Thanksgiving. Our kids call dinners like these family party night. And now, the cutest turkey cheese ball. This cheesy guy is part of a sponsored campaign I did for Horizon Organic a couple years ago, but today's video is not sponsored. Start by mixing together 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Then comes half a cup each of chopped pecans, chopped parsley, and dried cranberries, a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions, and a half teaspoon of kosher salt. Mix those together, then stir in 6 ounces of finely shredded white cheddar. Now you're going to break a pretzel rod in half for the turkey's neck, then roll a ball of the cheese mix that's about 1.5 inches in diameter. Poke that pretzel half into the ball, then place in the fridge to chill. Form the rest of the cheese mix into a kind of pointy egg shape and place on your platter. Tuck some slivers of carrot underneath that pointy end for feet. Then use pretzel rods, pretzel sticks, crackers, and pecans to make rows of tail feathers. For the turkey's face, you need to peel off a strip of red bell pepper for a wattle and cut the end off 2 olives. Use a couple small bits of cream cheese to form eyeballs, which you'll press onto that head that's been chilling. Then top with the olive. The turkey's beak is a pecan half, and one end of the red bell pepper strip gets poked next to it into that cheese head. Stick the pretzel rod into the body, and you have your
turkey cheese ball. Tastes good. Tastes good. Happy Thanksgiving.
I hope you and your family make one of these turkeys. If you do, please tag Eating Richly wherever you post it so we can see, and also let me know in the comments. Just remember, whether it's with me, in the comments, or out in the world, you can be real and be kind. If you want another cute Thanksgiving food idea, check out our Rice Krispie Treat pumpkins, and I'll see you in the next video. And no, dinner's like that. Why would anyone not want pie?
Despicable me, pretending to be little girl.